This is our 2015 Porsche Cayenne. It's in jet black metallic. It's the 3-litre diesel engine. So plenty of power with nearly 300 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and all the economy of a diesel engine. Now, this particular example has got a really nice specification, loads of options that I think are very desirable and needed really for this family SUV. First of all, around the outside, we've got the monochrome, so everything's finished in black rather than chrome. You've also got the privacy glass. You can see there the metallic fleck in the paint. The car's been polished beautifully by our detailer. You've got the correct Yokohama Advanced Sport N2 rated tyres for the Porsche Cayenne, shod on these fantastic 21-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with gloss black centre caps. So you've got the full black look going on this particular Cayenne, which really suits the car, in my opinion. There you go. 295/35/21. Big tyres, plenty of grip. You've got the xenon headlamps, LED daytime running lamps, and the fog lights. Lovely condition. It's only done 22,000 miles, so very low mileage. Same again on this side with the gloss black wheel tyres. All the tyres are in excellent condition. I'd say that's got around 6 or 7 mil. And they're all the correct matching Yokohama Advanced Sport tyres, which are the Porsche tyres that, or the tyres that Porsche put on from new. And again here, a good 6-7 mil of tread. So all fantastic. Full Porsche service history as well, may I add, having just had it serviced recently within the last 12 months. It's every 2 years on these. And as you'll see in the pictures, I've taken pictures of when the next service is due. It's not for a very long time. It's got the all-essential panoramic glass sliding electric sunroof. Can't buy an SUV these days without a panoramic roof. Right, let's go into the inside. You can see here you've got the model designation delete, so it doesn't say Cayenne, it just says Porsche, which I particularly like. Power tailgate. Lovely big boot, load space covers in place where it should be, 12-volt socket, storage net. Underneath here, you've got the AdBlue tank and your locking wheel nut and spare tyre inflator kit, which is what comes as standard. Moving on to the passenger compartment to the rear of the vehicle. Now this one's a very special interior simply because it's got the extended leather package to the inside, which means the dash, the door tops, everything's covered in leather, which is quite unusual to find, quite an expensive option. So all this black leather with the red stitching, that's all an option. It's normally plastic. Another really nice option is the enhanced Porsche sound system, 3 speakers including tweeters. You've got this smokers package. No one smoked in it, but it's just a nice option to have. Again, leather with the red stitching here. This, of course, means you can adjust the seats, put them down very easily. You can also adjust the headrest with these buttons here. You've got the Porsche Crests embossed on the headrest front and back on this particular example. Got the footwell lights. And then you've also got heated seats at the back as well as the front. Inside here, you've got your cup holders, your panoramic roofs there, courtesy lighting, grab handles, and you can see here again you've got leather with red stitching all the way around. Again, not standard, so it definitely makes the interior feel that bit more special. I'll move round to the other side. So much of the same on this side. Okay, and the same on the passenger front compartment, so the black leather with the red stitching, lock and unlock, memory settings for the seats, that was an option, the gloss black trim, that's an option, big door bins there which are fantastic, very practical, Porsche floor mats and Cayenne sill plates, 14-way electric memory seats as you can see, very comfortable, Porsche embossing, and then here you've got this beautiful black leather finish with the red stitching to the top of the dash instead of having plastic. It really makes it feel special. Glove box with a Porsche book pack, and you've got the central compass and clock on this particular example, really nice. You've also got auto dimming rear view mirror on this, which isn't standard, and quite a rare option is you've got the blind spot assist. Don't see many with that for some reason, even though it's very, very useful. Most Range Rover autobiographies have them. I think once you drive a car with it, you find it hard to manage without. So driver's side, again, lovely black leather and red stitching. Memory settings, lock unlock, tailgate, window lock, wing mirrors, folding of course, nice option to have, and then of course your blind spot assist, so that turns it on or off. 14-way seats, same on the drivers, no wear there, it's only done 22,000. Auto lights, 2 keys and fobs for the tracker, cruise control, solid aluminium flappy paddles for the gear selectors, parking lights and indicators, and here of course you've got your wipers front and rear. Sport, Comfort, Sport Plus, great option to have, and then of course off-road or on-road options, Sport, stop start and traction control, 12-volt socket cover in place as it should be, and your central cover here has got your USB and your auxiliary ports. Here we've got heated seats at the front, phone storage space, dual zone climate control, again that auto dimming rear view mirror, your panoramic roof controls, that lovely compass and clock. And then this one has got navigation, and I say that this one has because a lot of them don't have them because it doesn't come as standard and people don't necessarily add it. You've also got Bluetooth, so you can click find telephone. Obviously my phone's not logged onto here, but you can obviously find your phone. So again, very important because some Cayennes don't have Bluetooth. People didn't select it as an option that they thought was worth paying for when they bought it new. So you need to make sure you find one with Bluetooth. This has got various different music playback, so you can play from the jukebox, which is the internal hard drive, auxiliary port, USB. It's obviously got DAB radio, etc. So yeah, everything's on this one that you'd need. Looking through here, I'll start it up. There we go. So you've got you can use this button to control this screen here. So of course you can go through, you can display map for your navigation, phone, trip, and you can control it all from this thumb wheel here. And then if you click in there, you can see info, messages, none, service interval, next one in 34,000 miles for service 1, or a year for service 2, which is the interim service and oil change service, again a year. So nothing due for at least a year there, because it was done approximately, I think, December 19, the last one off the top of my head. Full service history, like I say. We've got the 2 keys, as I said, with the fobs, the tracker fobs if you want to activate it, the Porsche tracker fobs. And that is pretty much it, folks. We do, of course, offer nationwide delivery to your door. It costs from £1.50 a mile on an open trailer, or £2 a mile on an enclosed trailer. And we do offer some fantastic finance packages, whether you want PCP, lease purchase, HP, with or without a deposit. We can give you a very competitive quote to finance the car. And you know what they say, it always makes sense for you to borrow money on an asset like a car and use your own money on an asset like a property. So that pretty much sums up this Cayenne. Please give me a call or an email or a text if you have any inquiries whatsoever on it, and I'm more than happy to discuss it with you. We can, of course, offer warranties, so if you do want a warranty on this particular car, just let me know how long you want and I will give you a price. As we say on our signs, warranties from £399 via WMS, and there, of course, is also the price for delivery or from, and of course we do offer all the finance packages. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Good night.